day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't get.
Plenty birds waiting today. At your back, look at the roof. 2, 4, 6, 7. And then here, get the 5. And then in there, in the pond, get also. Good morning, everyone. What shall I do first today? I think I like pick some small dragon fruit. And after that, water the plants. I did not water yesterday. And then feed the birds. Oh, I can see plenty birds today. And then looks like hubby telling me to fix this one. And we make our garden nice. Oh, look at all these birds, guys. Allah. You wait. I will do. See, I forgot what to do now. I will pick first the dragon fruit. Okay, guys, let's start the day. Go, 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 go. I'll let you come. Come, 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 come. Here. Hmm? Oh, surrounded by thorns. Ouch. So I get something for breakfast again, guys. Okay, next. Pick the, I get 2 papayas to get today. Oops. Oh, one. And 2. Oh, wow, nice. Oops. I get 2 papayas, guys. Look. Allah, birds flying everywhere. They following me. You wait. So, very, very hungry. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Magandang umaga. Naimbag na bigat. Okay. Enjoy your food. Ayan yung aking mga bird friends, guys. Happy na naman sila. They get plenty breakfast today. Plenty food. So, these are my harvest today, guys. I have 2 papayas for breakfast. These are small red dragon fruits, very sweet. Ayan. And I have two string beans or utong. Okay, I get some harvest today. Did you check your tomato? Turning yellow already? Oh my god. Soon. Two and then two more in there. But this one, yeah, turning yellow. Cooking lunch, everyone. Para maiba naman, hindi lang laging dinner ang niluluto. And this one needs a lot of mixing. I need to dry. I need to dry it. Can you guess, guys, what I'm cooking? Something easy. The cow inside a can with diced potato. Diced potatoes. Okay, starting to get dry. This is the lunch. Cow inside the can with diced potato. Ayan siya. Yung baka na nakulong sa lata. Masarap. Easy cooking. Okay, I think this is good already. You wait. I will divide into 3 and then put in the plate and then you can come. Divide into 3. Now, one third is for breakfast. I don't know. That's your recipe. So this is, oops, oh, perfect. Good chef. Hubby's lunch. So this is corned beef with potato and egg. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yeah, I can have some, but I'm not ready for the egg. Oh, I'm still catching up my breath with the 2 nights of fried chicken. Why is it like that? Yeah. Others are enjoying fried chicken, and then others are suffering from that allergy. I don't know. But what I know is before I don't have allergies. But as I grow younger, I'm as I getting younger, I get plenty issues. Look guys, rice not yet ready. Still boiling. So this is my plate. I will add rice later. And look at hubby's plate. Oh my god. Let's eat. Hi everyone, so it's Mina once again. So, do you ever wonder, guys, what I do aside from if I'm not busy in the garden or cooking? This is my other hobby, guys. Yes, I am making a lot of scrunchies. Yes, for the hair. Look, this is what keeping me busy if I'm not in the garden or cooking. I made a lot of scrunchies. Ayan sila. Ayan, madami na akong nagawa, guys. Ito yung isa ko pang hobby. Ayan, different colors. And I'm just using the old blouses like that. So, I am not buying any scrunchies to tie my hair. And look, aside from just these plain scrunchies like this, I also put some beads. Ayan, naglalagay din ako ng mga beads. Just like this one. Ayan siya, ang ganda. To tie my hair. And there was this time, guys, Christmas. You know, we have a big, tall Christmas tree. I decorate it with scrunchies, all scrunchies. I think I made 100 scrunchies just to hang in our big Christmas trees. Ayan sila. So, madami na naman akong nagawa. I'm just not sure if I will make a scrunchy Christmas decorations again for this year. But, I get plenty. Look guys, ang dami kong nagawa. So, eto ang aking pinagkaka-bisihan if I'm not in the garden or cooking or going market. Ayan, madami na naman akong scrunchies. Oh, naalala ko guys, just in case you want to know how I make scrunchies or the measurement, say the measurement of scrunchies because there are a lot of styles and sizes. There are mini, there are medium, small, large, extra large. If you want to know how to make scrunchies, put your comments down below and I will be making a separate video. It's just like a tutorial in how to make scrunchies. Comment lang kayo guys kung gusto nyo. Ayan, ang dami-dami kong nagawa na scrunchies. Ayan, niline up ko na sa aking kamay. So, ganyan ang buhay ko dito guys. So, I made it this. I just need to invert this one and it will be another scrunchie. Just like this one, multicolored. Ooh. Maganda siya. Very colorful. I just remember, guys, we bought a big cantaloupe the other day. So, let's see. Let me cut. I put in the cooler and I almost forgot already. Oh, wow. Wow. It looked nice. We picked good. Look, guys. And smells good. Oh, what shall I do with the half of this? I think I can make a good ice candy for this one. Let's see. Oh, wow. It looked nice. I hope it's sweet. Because sometimes, even if they look nice, oh, the taste is different. Not too good. So I'm just crossing my fingers, guys, that this one is sweet. Okay. scrape the seeds, and then like that, remove the hard skin. Let me taste. I can't wait. Look. Mmm. Wow. Sweet, juicy, refreshing. Wow. Especially guys that I put in the cooler, I think 2 days already. Hmm. This will be my snack later and then breakfast tomorrow. Hmm. Wow, so good. Worth the price because I know this is kind of pricey. But I pick. Hubby cannot say no already. Oh wow. So I will just cut and then put in Ziploc. I will divide this for our breakfast. Wow. We did not it's not a waste of money this time. Because usually guys, that's why we are not really buying cantaloupe, watermelon. It's hard to pick. I remember when we bought this one at the grocery, we do like this. So they know already I'm Filipino. I do like this in the market. And listen, if they say if the peach is high, that's the one that is good. Well, take it from a expert because that's the tip from our friend at the store. Hi everyone, it's cooking time. So our dinner for today very easy, and I think I will not be showing you the step-by-step process of cooking this one because I got plenty videos already showing how to make mapo tofu. Hubby requested me to cook again. I guess my version of mapo tofu is good. That he always asks me to cook. Very simple, very easy, and this way we can eat tofu, which is, they say, very healthy. Plus, I am using some fermented beans, good as well for the body. So, this is it, cooking time. So, I put little bit oil because first is I will saute garlic, minced garlic, and minced ginger. Okay, kita-kits later guys. And now guys, I am here in the garden because I need some green onions for my garnishing. I wanna pick the small, skinny, young and skinny. Oh no, the sun is out. My God, it's hot. I just need few green onion leaves. I think this one enough already. Oh my God, it's very hot, guys. Mapo tofu. Then garnish with green onions. Okay, let's eat.